Welcome to Skincare 101. We are going to teach you how you are going to glow up your skin, buy the right skincare product without wasting lots of money buying what you don't need. So this year 2025, if you want to glow up your skin, I'm going to share 7 tips on things you will do to glow up really fast, because your skin introduces you before even opening your mouth. Imagine when you're walking in a mall or on the street and see somebody with a smooth, clear skin. You will look back, you'll be like, this person is well moisturized, and I love it. So the first thing you need to do is to know your skin type. Do a simple patch test to know your skin type. You should know whether you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, or sensitive skin. So when you know this will tell you and help you explain more on the type of skincare product you should be using. The second thing is cleanse daily. Some of you sleep with makeup. No, you don't do that. Cleanse and double cleanse every day. Cleaning and double cleansing helps you to remove dead skin cells and skincare products that have built up in your face that might clog your pores. So when you cleanse and double cleanse, you remove this build up on your face and open your pores and your face for your skincare product to be able to penetrate and work effectively. The third tip is exfoliate weekly. Exfoliate at least once or twice every week. Buy a body scrub that is very mild and gentle for your skin. Gently exfoliate or even with your hands once or twice every week. This will help the dead skin cells on your skin. Like I said, for your face, do it for your body also. This will help the oil, the skincare product, or even the body lotions you're using to work and penetrate effectively. The fourth tip is moisturize every day. Look at how my skin is glowing. It's from moisturizing. I am not using anything special. Just moisturize your skin very well. Get yourself a body oil, a body moisturizer, or you can also add a body butter. Use it. Sit down. Moisturize yourself. Be patient with yourself. From head to toe, you will see how you're going to glow. By the time you become serious with your moisturizing, within 2 months, you will see the clear difference. Your skin will thank you and begin to glow unlike. The next tip is hydrate. There are 2 types of hydration I'm talking about here. One is inside hydration and the other is outside. Outside is things like using body oil, body moisturizers, and body butters. Sit down, moisturize yourself and thank yourself. And the second one is inside moisturizing, like water and cucumber juice that I just posted a few days ago. I will link it here so that you can see how you can do this yummy drink so that you will moisturize from inside out, because your skin also announces what you eat. So when you moisturize your skin, hydrate so well, thank me, you're going to glow up this 2025. The fifth tip is SPF. Some of you don't take sunscreen seriously. I must tell you, sunscreen is the most important skincare you ever purchase. If you manage any other skincare product, don't manage your. Do you know that 90% of signs of aging is caused by sun damage, followed by stress and other things? So when sun damage is the high percentage of aging, signs of aging, how do you prevent that from happening to you? Is to invest in sunscreen. Apply it everywhere: your face, your hands, your necks, or your legs, or your body parts that are exposed to the sun. You protect it. This will help to lower your aging speed and make you glow in this 2025. The sixth tip is treatment. Add 1 or 2 treatments to your skincare routine. You can add something like lactic acid, retinol, or vitamin C. This will help to either treat hyperpigmentation, exfoliate your dead skin cells. Vitamin C will help protect you from environmental damage, and glow up your skin. So add 1 active ingredient into your skincare routine. It can be in form of a serum or a cream or something. Let it contain more of active ingredients. The last but not the least is healthy lifestyle. How you live your life matters also. Drink a lot of water, eat your veggies, eat balanced diet, exercise, sleep. At this age, you should not be able to negotiate your sleep. Get enough sleep. And remember that consistency is key. You don't do today and stop tomorrow and start complaining that skincare is not working for you while you're not even following a routine. Build up a routine and you thank me later. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching and follow me for more skincare tips.